gusto? Nangungopia to.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice.
Parang fresh pa rin namin, no? Kaya dyan, mag-smell test tayo. Okay? Fresh, she's fresh. How about you? Kasi kita mo yan. Bunot pa na naman ako, ah. Ay, hindi. Wag dyan, wag dyan.
Yes, nalito kanina.
Dapat dito. Ako, grabe. Go! Gusto? Nagtatanggap ng bini ngayon. Right, Mix? Gising ka ba ba? Guys, tulog na si Mika at this moment. For this world tour kasi maraming aabangan na kababa. Bakit? Okay lang. I'm done.
Yung pinakamahirap na prod sa buong buhay ko, talaga.
Galing mo nga eh.
Ano sa takutan, family? Ay, Ama! Stand up! Ama! Ay, Ama! Hello?
Ama.
Ama?
Ama.
Okay. Ama!
To Blackpink, Lisa, Rose, Jenny, and Jisoo.
Ako din, yung ka-GM ko, si Maring Nina. Hello.
Si Moira De La Torre is also here. Thank you for the support. Where is she? Ay, akala ko ikaw.
Grabe ang realistic.
Cute.
Ang realistic? Sobrang cute naman ni Mick.
Anong year to?
Year of the 19.
Ano, God's perfect time.
Ay, may ubo. Kasama ang ubo.
And why not? Wait lang. Sobrang ano naman ng...
Yeah, you're here.
Pati pose.
Guys, pati yung smile.
Pating pa-solo po ako.
Ay!
Wait.
Minsan lang to eh. Third. Second ako.
Last na ako.
Okay, eto na nga. Wait lang.
Seryoso daw siya.
And babalik kami. Papasalubungan namin kayo na...
Souvenir. Ng hangin.
The United Kingdom, and MTV Europe Music.
And Beanie Management, we would like to thank Beanie Management, we would like to thank nung para makamit itong award na to. Nang kunin sa London mismo yung award na yan, ha?
Go, Mix.
Why? Why me?
Why not?
It's you.
Go, Mix. Why? Why me?
Why not?
It's you.
Go, Mix. Why? Why me?
Why not?
It's you.
Go, Mix. It is, you know. Ikaw na nga, Gwen. Ayoko na.
Back sa global stage. Kasi, alam nyo, yung
Right side! Ang tinig tinasan! Umuwi na kaya! Let's go!
Hey! Let's go!
Nang iyong titigan, parang kang si Tom Cruise. Let's take it slow. Tinamaan yata ako. Kamay ko. Kinakilig mo ko.
Isa pa ang alin? Isa pa yung alin? Alin po? Gusto nyo from the top ulit, Archel? Kaya. Kaya. Sige na, pagbigyan nyo na sila. Sige, sabay-sabay. Kaya ka ba? Kinikilig.
Gagawin namin. Bakit? Kung ano magtititigan.
Bakit?
Kung ano magtititigan.
Ayaw niyo, Josie? Ba't hindi niyo pinapansin, Josie?
Bakit? Kung ano magtititigan.
Ayaw niyo, Josie?
Bias kayo, nag-kiss na kami ni Jo.
Meanwhile.
Mayaman nyo na.
Extra big.
Oh, wow.
That's a going back now once you try the sugar long. If you want to
Everyone! Do you feel good? Live performance of Blink Twice!
Naman yan. Yeah, so are you ready? Yeah. First time din ako mapanood yung choreo. Dahil nagustuhan nyo, may pa-little something kami for tonight. Watch this! Watch this. Okay, let's
Banker said no. Guys, pasensya na kasi yung phone ko. Ang Banker said no. Minsan na nga lang ako Banker said no. Ay, last time ako yung nauna tapos hindi ako nauna siya pero walang nagbuhat sa kanya. Banker said no. Yes, it's here. Ay, look at Banker. It's here. You want me to call her name right now?
Recommend Mika because
Yuck.
you know I adore Mika and I commend Mika because you know she may act like a I don't care type of person, parang I'm strong, I don't care, parang ganun. Pero you know Mika's really the person na she's and I agree with Joanna, she's a silent angel. Why silent angel? Kasi parang literal silent pero she's there helping you. And then ang daming buses actually. And Mika is always the person who checks up on me. Like example sa training parang time ko tapos biglang on the side hey, are you okay? Parang ganun. You know, it's the little things. And then she's always the person who opens the door for everybody, who fixes stuff for everybody. Mga little things na that really matters a lot. Hey, that's Mika.
That's Mika.
You know, I
Nickname niya. Alam mo yung nickname ni Mix Pete Ayon?
Ano? Ha? Sabi ayaw mo nang gumawa yan?
Say.
Nickname reveal? Wala. Mikaya Lubong.
Guys, balik tayo sa live niya after this.
Lubong. Charot lang kayo naman. Joke lang, Blooms. Ito naman.
Inahoy ka.
Tat na atat. Ayaw niyo ba malaman nickname ko kay Ate Jo?
KR.
Wait na. Uy, nag-reply si Mika. Mag-reply tayo ba? I will not back down. Mika Lim. No. Ay! Hindi talaga, oh! Stalker. I'm stalker. That's my Twitter post. Am I commenting on her Twitter post? No. She is commenting and reacting to my Twitter post. We will not back down. Hi, Mika Lim, are you here? Uy, mga war freak din sa comment. Ay, gusto nyo din ah. Gusto nyo din ng away, no. Gusto nyo yung mga ganun-ganun, no. Sus, mga war freak kayo. Yung totoo, baka mga psychopath kayo, no. Mga war freak, ha. Siyempre, asa, nanay ni Ling. Nakakita, alam niyo naman si Ling, di ba? Palaaway talaga, di ba? Like mother, like daughter. Charot. No, I got that from from Ling Ling, the fighting spirit. Ay, grabe talaga to. Reply talaga, oh. Yung mag-reply tayo talaga. Talaga, hindi talaga sumusuko si ate girl. Hindi tayo suko din. Grabe naman to, oh. What? Ha! Mikael, are you here? What are you doing, stalker? Bueno, nandito ba siya? Eh, ikaw palang stalker eh. What you doing here? Unless you're gonna give me some, sticker, then what are you doing here? Huh? You're live stalking my life? Live? Yan, wala namang isip na reply, we won! Never, ano nga yung, sound sa TikTok? Never back down, never give up. Never back down, never give up. Never back down, never give up. Ay, never what pala? Charot. Same. Never back down, never what? Never back down, never what? Never back down, never give up. Yeah, she said, ipakita mo kung sino ka, Aya. Wow. Yeah, I am ready, set position as always. Grabe naman si Mika Lim. Kaka-check ko lang sa Twitter. Yung iba nag-repost sa kanya, love you man, bye. Sa atin, grabe naman ba? Grabe. Sana kung sino ni-replyan niya ng love you, siya na lang mag-claim sa batang yon. Oh well. Binakita ko sa feed. Hello.